Starting with the mussels, these are already steamed and cooked. You only have to cook these for about 7 to 10 minutes. I do rinse them and clean them and give them an extra wash, just in case. Add a bit of corn. I don't really want my corn overcooked. I like it to just warm up. Shell on Argentine red shrimp, or Argentine red. I'm just going to stick these in there like that. Whatever type of butter you want to use, go for it. A variety of cherry and grape tomatoes. This is just a variety of different types. You could use just regular vine ripened tomato. Purple onion. One large serrano pepper, diced. Cilantro. Now I'm going to turn the heat on high. Get everything cooking. Adding some lemon zest. Lemon juice. Try not to let the seeds come out. This is a small lemon, so I'm going to go ahead and use both halves. Sea salt. Some pepper. Now that I gave everything a good toss and it's boiling, I'm going to turn this on low, cover it, and let it cook for about probably 7 to 10 minutes. I use frozen mussels, which are in the frozen department, and they're already steamed or cooked for you. The shrimp was Argentine red shrimp. It was raw. And I just wanted to cook it until my shrimp is cooked and not overcooked and everything is heated in the pan. And yeah, so simple as that. And it's amazing. So let's plate this. This is so quick and easy to toss together. It looks amazing. It tastes amazing. If you're having a nice steak night or a dinner and you want an appetizer, you could put this on the table before you have a steak dinner, or you could eat it alone. This is so delicious. Try it out. You're going to love it. And I'll see you in my next upload. I wanted to show you how the broth is looking.